Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily and quickly send such an interesting message with echo effect on your iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes under the video and write comments. So dear friends, let us get down to the topic. First, you will need, of course, to open the messaging app itself on your iPhone. Next, navigate to the conversation that you want to have. And now your message bar. You can either host some emoji, like in my case, you can host some text. You can also add stickers as needed. And when your text is ready to add an echo effect, which is sure to be memorable for the person you're talking to, and for you. You click on this send sign right here and hold on to it. Click it, hold it down, and a window like this pops up. Then you need to go here, click on Effects, and as you can see, different effects appear. The very first one is the echo effect. As you can see, it looks very interesting and so memorable that is if you have some text or like me emoji, it looks very bright. And your messages, it appears several times, many times on the screen. So friends, it increases the attention to your message. And this effect will be seen by both you and your conversation partner. So to send a message with this effect, you just have to click on this send sign. You just press it once without holding it down. And then the message with this effect will be sent. Friends, this is the very quick and simple way you can easily send any echo effect message on your iPhone. I really hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to write your comments, put likes under the video. Also subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.